Recently, I read Daniel Pink's excellent book, Drive, The Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us, where Pink extends his research on what's dubbed the Tom Sawyer Effect. Hi, Dave Maddox once again with Leadership, Luck, and Life. In Mark Twain's Tom Sawyer, Tom faces the dreary task of whitewashing his aunt's fence. Bored with the thought of work, he promotes the opportunity as play to his friends, managing to enlist a willing workforce to replace him. The key motivational principle that Twain highlights here is that work is a behavior that we're obliged to do, whereas play is a behavior that one chooses to do or gets to do. The Sawyer effect relates to research conducted with reference to drivers of motivation around work and play. Researchers also experimented with children, whereby they divided them into three groups. The first group was the expected award, where children were told that they would receive a certificate and ribbon if they drew a picture. The second group was the unexpected award, where children were simply asked if they wanted to draw without any promise of rewards. At the end of the session, the researchers then handed each child the reward of certificate and ribbon. The third group, however, was the no award group. Children were invited to draw, but no promise of an award was ever made, nor certificates handed out at the conclusion. So 2 weeks later, the teachers set up paper and markers for the children to play during free play time and invited them to draw. What happened next was fascinating. Children who were in the second group, the unexpected award, and the third group of no award, drew just as much as they wanted to and previously had done in the past. However, the children that were in the first expected award group showed much less interest and spent almost zero time actually drawing. Researchers concluded that the Tom Sawyer effect had taken hold here. They wouldn't even play without a reward. What does your intrinsic motivation look like? How do you reward people and motivate them? If you're using techniques like the first group of promising a reward or a bonus to motivate them, we need to talk. If you want to learn more about intrinsic motivation and tools to inspire your team and motivate them, we need to talk too. So contact me with email and website listed below so together we can put some leadership in your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow so you don't miss any of my future videos.